Welcome to 2 minutes series of mathematics for O level. This series is designed for Cambridge students. As you know, we do smart work. So let's begin. Chapter 11, it's trigonometric ratios. In trigonometric ratios, we have a right angle triangle. We use the ratio of sine and cosine of the angles, and we calculate the angles and the sides of the triangle. In ABC, the right angle triangle, the line segments BC, AC and AB, the lengths of the sides are represented by small a, b and c. The angles are capital A, capital B and capital C, where the angle C is at 90 degree and opposite to right angle, that is the 90 degree, is always a hypotenuse. Now sine of A is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, that is BC over AB. Now sine A equal to A over C. Cosine of A is adjacent side over hypotenuse, it is AC over AB. So cos of A is equal to B over C. Now tangent of A equal to opposite over adjacent equal to BC over AC, tan of A equal to A over B. These three ratios are trigonometric ratios. Mnemonics is so, kha, to. So exercise 11A, question number 2, A part. We have sine of A is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, it is 5 over 13. Cos of A is adjacent over hypotenuse, it is 12 over 13. Tan of A is 5 over 12. Sine of B is opposite over 13, opposite to B is 12 over 13, then cos of B is 5 over 13, tan of B is 12 over 5. In question number 3, A part, in the triangle, sine of P is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, it is y by z, and cos of P is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, x over z. Tan of P is equal to y over x. Sine of Q is x over z, cos of Q is y over z, tan of Q is x over y. So question number 4, we use calculator. We calculate the value of cos of 30.19 is equal to 0.864 3SF. It is 0.864. Now part D is sine 35 plus cos of 49 is equal to, we use calculator, we get 1.229964 and it is equal to 1.23 according to 3SF. Part E is 2 cos 42.3 plus 3 sine 16.8. Use calculator, we get the value 2.35 according to 3SF. So part F is sine of 71.6 times tan of 16.7 equals 0.284676 equal to 0.285 according to 3 significant figures. Now question number 5, we use calculator. Sine of 57 minus cos of 73 in the numerator, and in the denominator tan of 15.3 times sine of 83.4, we get 2.01024 equal to 2.01. That's it for today. Before going, subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.